Are you looking for Pikzels AI review? If yes, then this video is for you because in this video, I'm going to review Pikzels AI. I'm going to share its features, pros, cons, pricing and everything in this video. So if you want a complete tutorial and overview of this tool so that you can decide if this tool is worth your money or not, then watch this video till the end. So first let's discuss about what is Pikzels AI. So Pikzels AI is an AI thumbnail generator software that designs viral thumbnails for you in just one click. Okay, so as you can see, top YouTubers are using this software. As you can see, this YouTuber has 200k plus subscriber. He is using this tool. Again 200k subscriber. This YouTube channel is also using Pikzels AI Genesis. This YouTube channel has 100k plus subscriber. He is using Pikzels to generate AI thumbnails. And as you can see, there are lots of big YouTubers who are using Pikzels to generate AI thumbnails. So now I'm going to give you a complete demo and tutorial of Pikzels AI. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that if you want to follow along, then I have shared a special link in the video description. You can use that link to try Pikzels AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail. And suppose after trying this tool, if you found that this tool is helpful for you, then you can use our Pikzels AI coupon code, which is also in the video description. You can use the coupon code Sumit to get 50% discount on any monthly plan. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So when you will log into your Pikzels account, then you will see a dashboard like this. Here is three different options to generate thumbnail. So first one is you can write your prompt here, like create a super realistic scene of a man running in a forest or whatever it is. So you can write your prompt here, and based on your prompt it will generate a very attractive thumbnail for you. Second one is recreate. Suppose if on YouTube you found that a thumbnail is looking very attractive in your niche and you want to model the same thumbnail, you want to design thumbnail like that particular thumbnail, then you can paste that YouTube video URL and you can select inspiration level low, medium or high, and you can explain what changes you want to make in that particular thumbnail, and you can click on generate to generate thumbnail, which is proven to work. Okay, and last option is face swap. So if you have already designed a thumbnail and if you want to swap face with your face in that particular thumbnail, then you can upload that thumbnail, you can upload your photo and you can click on generate to swap the face in your generated thumbnail. Okay, so these are the three methods of creating thumbnail with Pikzels AI. So first I'm going to give you demo of this thumbnail option. So for demo purpose, I'm going to write a prompt here, a super realistic scene of a man swimming under ocean, his face showing pure fear and panic. Behind him a large shark approaches silently. Okay, so let's click on generate. It will cost you 10 credits and it will generate a thumbnail for you. Okay, so it will hardly take 15 to 20 seconds for Pikzels to generate thumbnail for you. Okay, so let's wait for some time. So this is the thumbnail that it has generated. As you can see, it is looking just amazing. Okay, this is exactly what we want and it is looking very realistic. Okay, so the only thing which is missing here is this person is not looking like me. So I want to swap this face with my own face. Okay, so you can do it in just one click with Pikzels AI. So all you need to do is, as you can see, there are multiple options showing here. First one is download. So suppose if you are satisfied with this generated thumbnail, then you can click on download to download your thumbnail. You can click on redo if you are not satisfied with generated thumbnail. And suppose if you want to make any edit, like make this arc bigger or anything, then you can click on edit and explain what you want to change, and you can click on generate to generate a new thumbnail. Okay, based on the changes you want. And last option is face swap. So this is the option which I was talking about. So suppose if I want to change the face in this thumbnail with my own face, then I will click on this face swap option, and after that I will click on upload file button, and here is the photo which I want to upload. This is my photo. Let's click on open and let's click on generate. So as you can see, I have uploaded my photo, and if I want to swap the face in that particular thumbnail, then it will cost 3 credits credit, as you can see. So let's click on generate. So as you can see, it has generated a fresh thumbnail for me. So now this person is looking like me and it is now looking just amazing. Okay, so this is the face which I have uploaded and this is the thumbnail which I got. So as you can see, this person is looking exactly like me. So in this way you can generate a super realistic and attractive thumbnail with your own face using Pikzels AI. Now I'm going to show you the second option, which is the recreate option. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened YouTube and this thumbnail is looking very attractive. This storytelling science to hook viewer till the end. Okay, so I want to create thumbnail like this one. So I have copied this thumbnail URL and I have pasted this URL in this recreate tool. And now there is three different options. Let me tell you what is the use of this three different option. First one is low inspiration, second one is medium inspiration, and third one is high inspiration. If you want that your thumbnail will look 80 to 90% like this thumbnail, then you have to select the inspiration level high. Okay, second option is medium inspiration. So suppose you don't want to copy it exactly, you don't want exact same thumbnail, you want some minor changes in that particular thumbnail, then I will recommend you to select medium inspiration. And suppose if you want completely different thumbnail but you want that thumbnail concept like copying a few parts of that particular thumbnail, then you can select inspiration level low. I will highly recommend you to select inspiration level high. Okay, and here is the box. You can mention what changes you want. Suppose you want that in this particular thumbnail you want t-shirt color red or shirt color yellow, or you want watch color red, whatever it is, you can explain everything here in this box, like what changes would you like to make in the generated thumbnail. You can mention everything here, and after that click on generate. It will cost you 10 credits. Okay, so let's click on generate, and here is the generated thumbnail. As you can see, I have selected inspiration level high, so my thumbnail is looking exactly same as this particular thumbnail. As you can see, it is looking just like this one. When I clicked on inspiration level medium, then it generated thumbnail like this. Okay, so it is following the same concept. As you can see, it is showing the graph in the background. It has written storytelling. Okay, and it is showing some pencils icon here. So it is very similar to our original thumbnail. And if you want completely different thumbnail, then you can select inspiration level low, as you can see, and it is also showing graph in the background, same as our original thumbnail, but it has designed a completely unique thumbnail based on the video thumbnail that we have copied. Okay, so based on that original thumbnail, it has generated a very unique thumbnail. It is 100% unique. No one can say that it is copied or anything like this. Okay, so suppose I want to use this one. Now the problem with this thumbnail is that this person is not looking like me. Okay, so what I can do, I can click on this face swap option, I can click on upload, and I am going to upload this picture of mine. Okay, just select it, click on open, it is uploading. So as you can see, if you want to use face swap feature, then it will cost you 3 credits. So let's click on generate. So as you can see, this is the generated thumbnail. As you can see, I have uploaded this picture of mine and this is the thumbnail that it has generated. So as you can see, this person is looking exactly like me. So in this way you can generate a very unique thumbnail using Pikzels AI. I have copied a viral thumbnail that is working for my competitor in my niche, and I have generated a very similar thumbnail same as my competitor in just one click. And last option is face swap feature. Suppose if you have already generated your thumbnail and if you want to swap the face in that particular thumbnail, then you can upload your thumbnail by clicking on this upload file. You can upload your own photo and you can click on generate to swap the face in your generated thumbnail. And if you want to generate viral title for your video, then you can write your title here and click on generate. So it will generate some clickbait type titles. Let's suppose I want to create a video about how to start a money making blog. So let's click on generate. So as you can see, Pikzels AI has generated 3 viral title for us, like how to start a profitable blog for beginners, beginners 2024. How to start a profitable blog in 2024. How to start a blog that actually makes money in 2024. So in this way you can use this feature to generate some clickbait type titles for your next video. Okay, so it is useless for me because I can use ChatGPT to generate better titles as compared to this generated titles. I want to mention once again that if you want to try Pikzels AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then link is in the video description. Just click on that link and try Pikzels AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail. So now let's discuss about Pikzels AI pricing plan. It comes with 3 pricing plan: essential plan, premium plan and ultimate plan. So if you will ask me which plan is perfect for you, then I will highly recommend you to grab premium plan, because if you want thumbnail recreation feature, sketch to thumbnail feature, thumbnail enhancer feature and all these features, then these all features are available only in premium plan. So if you are wondering what is this thumbnail recreation feature, so let me tell you. So as you can see, we used the recreate option to regenerate the viral thumbnail. Okay, so this recreate feature is only available in premium plan. Okay, as you can see, this recreation feature is only available in premium plan. So I will highly recommend you to get the premium plan. So you are going to get 1000 credit and it will increase monthly. Like in first month you will get 1000 credit, in next month you will get 1100 credit, in next month you will get 1300 credit, in next month you will get 1500 credits. Like this, month by month your credits will increase. So I will highly recommend you to get this premium plan. With this premium plan you can generate up to 150 thumbnails per month and you are going to get all the feature. Even face swap feature is not available in the essential plan. So I don't know why there are so many limitations in this essential plan. So it is a very serious con that they have removed lots of important features from their essential plan. I think they should add face swap and thumbnail recreation feature in essential plan as well, but for now these features are only available in the premium plan. Okay, so one very cool feature is coming very soon in Pikzels AI premium plan, which is sketch to thumbnail. So what it will do, you can draw any sketch like what you want in your thumbnail, and based on your sketch it will generate a unique thumbnail, super realistic, very attractive, good looking thumbnail for you based on your sketch. Okay, if you want discount on this plan, then what you can do, you can select the annual plan, and as you can see, if you will select annual plan, then you are going to get 30% discount, which is huge. Okay, as you can see, from $40 to just $28 per month if you will select the annual plan. Suppose if you want to purchase a monthly plan, then here is a good news for you. You can follow just 2 simple steps to get 50% discount. So very first step is just click on the link given in the video description. When you will click on the link given in the video description, then you will see Pikzels special landing page like this. From here click on pricing option and select your plan. Suppose if you want to purchase this premium plan, just click on subscribe, and in the checkout page you will get option to enter coupon code, that is promo code. Just click on that field and apply coupon code Sumit to get 50% discount. That coupon code is also available in the video description. Just check the video description and follow the steps to get 50% discount on Pikzels AI monthly plan. So now let's discuss about Pikzels AI pros and cons. So first advantage of Pikzels AI that it generate a very realistic, super attractive thumbnail for you in just one click. You can recreate any viral thumbnail. You can swap face perfectly in your generated thumbnail like this. As you can see, this is the thumbnail which it generated, and I have swapped face in this thumbnail, as you can see, with my own face. So these are very good features, but there are some serious con of this tool that you should know before purchasing any plan. So very first con is that the thumbnail recreation feature is only available in the premium plan. Face swap feature is only available in the premium plan. So it is like you have to purchase the premium plan to get access to all the features. So they have removed all the feature from essential plan. So it is the very first con of this tool. Second con of this tool is that whenever you will generate any thumbnail, so let me show you. So as you can see, first I have given given it this prompt and generated this thumbnail. So as you can see, this thumbnail was not looking good. It cost 10 credits to generate this thumbnail. Okay, so I have given it a different prompt, so again it cost me 10 credit to generate a thumbnail. And suppose if you are not happy with the generated thumbnail, and if you will click on redo, then it will again cost you 10 credits. Okay, and suppose if you want to edit anything, like if you want to make this arc bigger, if you want the ocean color more blue, like this, whatever you want, if you will click on edit, and if you want to do any changes in your generated thumbnail, then it will again cost you 10 credits. Okay, so this is the worst thing about this tool, that it cost 10 credits every time. So this is something that I want that Pikzels team should think about. They should remove this credit system from this. So is Pikzels AI worth it? So my answer is yes, Pikzels AI is 100% worth it. If you are a new YouTuber and if you don't know how to create a viral thumbnail, if you don't know how to design your thumbnail, if you don't want to hire any professional graphics designer to design your thumbnail, then in that situation, yes, it is 100% worth it, because thumbnail decide if people will click on your video or not. So good thumbnail means better CTR. So yes, it is 100% worth it if you want to create viral thumbnails. And I will highly recommend you to write a super realistic scene in every prompt to generate the better output. Okay, as you can see, and just write 2 to 3 line prompt and explain everything very clearly to get the desired output without costing extra credits. Okay, I hope you found this Pikzels AI review video helpful. If you want to test this tool absolutely free, then link is in the video description, and a special coupon code also available in the video description. By using that Pikzels AI coupon code, you can get 50% discount on any Pikzels AI monthly plan. So link is in the video description. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like